Do you know which is the lowest cost and most powerful marketing method in the world? If you guessed viral marketing, you got it right. Viral marketing is the only method that lets you reach millions of people without spending a cent. Now, how does it do that? By recruiting your viewer as your messenger. Yes, even if you can reach just one person, you could trigger a domino effect and explode your viral reach by turning that visitor and his friends and friends of his friends into your marketing team. So how would you like to go viral within the next 60 minutes? You could do it using memes. Creating viral memes is the best way to go viral. Memes are easy to produce, easy to consume. People love them and share them like crazy. I bet you've liked and shared a lot of memes yourself. Why do memes work? Because they're instantly recognizable. They have strong emotional appeal, and people could read them in 3 seconds and get a laugh. You don't have to watch an entire video or read a big block of text to have fun with memes. They are fast, and they really set off that impulsive sharing or liking mechanism. A simple meme can bring you 10 times or even 100 times more traffic and profits. That's how viral marketing works. Want to go viral quickly? Start creating a lot of memes every day, all day, or get Mighty Memes. Mighty Memes is the world's only meme marketing software designed for businesses. No matter what your business is and what your niche is, you'll be able to use Mighty Memes to easily create funny and highly engaging memes and post them to your social profiles. Drive up your traffic, grow your fan pages, and get more likes, comments, and shares without spending on expensive ads and without recruiting a giant team of specialized experts. It's really easy and absolutely free when you have Mighty Memes. Mighty Memes is super powerful. You can create memes in bulk, post instantly, or schedule for any time you want. You can post on your Facebook, group, or even your personal profile, all from within the software. There's nothing that makes meme marketing easier than this. Ready to see a demo? Okay, start by signing in, and you'll see a quick view of your meme creation and sharing stats. Click on Create Memes, and you'll see hundreds of the latest and trending meme templates for every niche. Now, you could browse through the collection or find the perfect meme for yourself through search terms. Once you've found a meme, just click on it and you'll see the meme creation page where you could fill in the text for the meme. At the bottom, you'll find samples of the meme and a little description that tells you exactly what you could do with the meme. Once you're done, click on Generate Meme, and the meme will be created and stored. Create as many memes as you like, and once you're ready, go to Show Created Memes to see those that you've created. You could post any meme instantly by checking the pages you want to post and clicking on Post Now. Want to post at a later date? Set the date on the calendar and click Schedule. That's it. It was easy, wasn't it? Want to see more? Well, Mighty Memes has a ton of features that make it ultra powerful and perfect for viral marketing. There's a demo farther down this page which shows them all, so make sure you watch it. See how easy and powerful Mighty Memes is? There's nothing like this in the market, nothing that could do half as much. With Mighty Memes, you'll be ready to go viral in a way that you've never gone before. Mighty Memes is a fresh release, and we're bringing it to you at a very special price. Grab it now and you will get the absolute best deal on it. No recurring charges to pay. Your investment is 100% protected by our 30-day money-back guarantee. If you don't like Mighty Memes, just open a support ticket with us to get a 100% refund. Make the right decision for your business. Get your copy of Mighty Memes today and give your online marketing a huge boost.